We're almost like halfway through. We have about close to 10 minutes left.
For the win.
We got a book. What? I want the one that does damage.
CodeCombat. Move right.
Dodge the fireballs forever under 4 statements. Avoid the fireballs by dancing right and left. Use a wild true loop to repeat forever like this. Okay. Let's get this wild true loop in. So we're gonna move right. We're gonna move left. We're gonna move right. We're gonna move left.
Chashin.
Yeah, we're understanding that. Thank you. It has to be an indentation here. Alright, let's dodge some fireballs. What happened?
Move right. Move left. Move right. Move left.
This is like some Mario's fireballs.
Move left. Move right.